There are three main areas in which galvanized screws are used: coastal environments, treated lumber, or the outdoors. Galvanized screws are particularly popular in a typical coastal environment because between the heat, humidity, and devastating effects of wind-borne salt, coastal environments have long played havoc with construction, and galvanized screws are recommended for use in almost any project near the ocean. Salt in particular quickly wears away plain steel screws, turning them rusty in a short period of time and necessitating repairs more often. Treated lumber, which is highly prized for its resistance to fungal decay and insect attacks, is created by forcing chemical preservatives into boards through a vacuum and pressure process. The problem is that the same preservatives that extend the life of lumber attack and destroy the integrity of traditional steel screws. The zinc coating on these galvanized screws allows them to resist rust and deterioration typically found in other types of screws. Galvanized screws are greatly used in this situation because they last longer when put into treated wood. Galvanization is a process that encompasses multiple different methods intended to achieve the same result: a screw more resistant to corrosive environments which last longer than those made with traditional steel. Electroplating, or electrogalvanization, is one method by which a layer of zinc is applied to a screw. Another one is called hot dipping, which is the more common form of galvanization. Hot dip galvanization is the process of coating iron, steel, or aluminum with a layer of zinc by immersing it in the metal bath of molten zinc at a temperature around 840 degrees Fahrenheit or 450 C. Some basic safety information that you should always keep in mind when using galvanized screws is to always keep the screw away from acids or welding projects, as these two situations could cause the screw to release noxious gases such as carbon monoxide or zinc oxide, which could be very detrimental to your health. The health summary is that galvanized screws in their usual physical form pose little to no health hazards to people. The only situation where it does pose a health hazard is when you ingest it, inhale it, or try to affect it with your skin. If any of those happen, you should seek medical attention immediately, as some of those effects can be lethal.